Welcome to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. We're starting off in the showroom, but we're going to make our way out in the front of the building. We're making awesome progress on a non-automotive project. But while we're here in the showroom, check out the G550. Not highly publicized, but for those that don't know, this is a twin-turbo V8 and with a lot of AMG influence. And speaking of performance vehicles, we have Ford Mustang, Boss 302, and this is a very rare edition, Laguna Seca, yes. So amazing vehicle. So check that out online. And we don't just do performance cars, we do your everyday drivers, we do motorcycles, we have a lot of cool bikes. But let's make our way to, there's a lunch break. Joe Crory of JP Crory. All those rocks, about 25 to a lot of years ago, 25 years ago, we laid them there. He came back to put some more rocks. We are doing our entryway.
Job security. That's all this is around here for me, you know?
Absolutely.
Looking good.
Yeah, and Joe is a car enthusiast. He's big into diesels, 7.3. And just picked up this...
nice rig over there, huh?
Yep. So have a great lunch. We're going to check out your work over there.
All right.
These two machines are our own machines. Yeah, I guess like a car enthusiast, we love cool things. And something that also is a great tool, we have the Kubota. We have some cool videos about that. And we also picked up this mini excavator. It's great around the shop. When we do engine work or anything that you'd use a cherry picker, this is a great tool, and it is so quiet sometimes we don't even know if it's running. And for this job, we actually set it up with this hydraulically operated thumb. So this was a custom job that with hydraulics and everything that we did, and it actually is working out great. So let me show you the work progress we have here. And we're in New England, in Boxborough, so there are a lot of fields and a lot of rock in the fields. So I'm sure there's a scientific explanation how we all end up with that, but everywhere you go, if there's a cleared field around in this area, you always see field rocks. So all these rocks, they came from here. And you see a lot of rocks there in that stone wall. But you can see this is all beautifully leveled. And we dug in about, on average, about 1.5 feet of elevation change. And all these rocks came from here. So all these rocks came from here, and way back we have a lot more rocks that we end up not using it. And you can see these are traditional New England rock walls. So we make them by hand with no cement. We don't use cement because you can see those, and with mortar, with cement, they may look a little prettier, but we actually stack the rocks. So if I take this rock, this was done years ago, but it was fitted just to fit that area. That's like a puzzle. So we enjoyed that. It's also, you get a good exercise with these kinds of puzzles.
Some heavy puzzle pieces.
Yes, heavy puzzle pieces. Let's check out the rock wall a little bit more and that berm. So we had this done years ago and it was holding up pretty good, but the berm started to shift and our original rock wall started to give out a little bit. So we disassembled it, changed the elevation, and we are now resetting the rocks, and you can see how we have the rocks by the berm down there, and we'll be doing a little bit more of the small rocks on top of those by hand. So it's all going to look pretty. The grayer rocks right here, these are the ones that we've done probably 25 years ago now, because we built this building, we designed and built this building for AlphaCars, and then this was done early 2000, 2001, 2002, and 10 years later, after this was completed, in 2012 timeframe, we finished that building over there, the showroom. And they're all architecturally designed with our architect to our specs and standards. Yeah, and as far as machines, these are great machines. We use them a lot, and we cannot say enough good things about Kubota machines. These are great. Thank you very much for watching this unusual segment for our channel. It's a little different. We hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for viewing AlphaCars. Expect to be impressed, and consider sharing, subscribing, and let us know which videos you like by simply clicking that like button. That's another motoring enthusiast mildly accelerating from AlphaCars driveway. Thanks for watching.